Kick some ass. Lava gun is awesome. Itchy head is itchy. Oh shit, he just destroyed that thing. Oh shit, that hurt. That's annoying. I need a magnetizer, or whatever the hell it's called, not in my whoop. Or whatever it's called in Ratchet and Clank. Damn, my gun still wasn't able to cover everybody. Well. Eh, 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 eh. Really? Lava gun? What's a lava gun, bitch? I need ammo for like 3 of my guns. Hey, exactly what I wanted too. That's a sniper bullet. Hey, what is this? Damn. That sucks. I won! Yeah! I earned the gravity boost. I use a block or jump on any magnetic surface. You know, you can't jump on a magnetic surface. Man. That sucked really fast. I keep also. K-Tax for the infiltrator. Okay, sure. I don't know what the infiltrator is. Holy crap. Oh my dude. Huh. Die by my sentry gun, bitch. Yes! We got, the mega turret, which I think that's still just a turret at the moment. Yep. Ha ha ha. Rocket launcher, bitch. Oh shit! I did it. I did it. What? Nope. Ah, ah. Holy shit. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Got it. I did it. Let's read about it right now. It's awesome. The Mega Turrets fire small, powerful rockets at enemy. The rockets have special auto-targeting capabilities and will chase enemies down. This submarine will keep firing until it's run out of ammo or runs out of targets. Now, the major downside of this weapon, it doesn't shoot as fast, but it's stronger. As far as I'm concerned, that's all I need. Damn, I kicked some serious ass. I would not even get on the floor with metal shoes on. In all seriousness, I would be terrified to go down there. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, wow. But the boundary is expensive. Tesla coil is more expensive. Plasma coil. That prefers with an arcing electricity. Damage avoidance challenge. Don't take a hit. I don't like that. Time challenge. So 90 minutes and 90 seconds. Alright. Yeah, this is bad. I can't believe I could be doing better than this. But I'm using a badass lava gun, so I can't say I care. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, that gun almost fucking failed me. Holy shit. Use the... Okay. Better be fuck... Oh god, it's not easy enemies at all. Oh, come on. Don't say I'm the tough guy. Man, this is, interesting. Oh, that was rape. Really? I have to come to him. He can't come to me. Bitch. This is actually a lot harder than you think it is. I'm not Gordon Freeman who can use everything with a melee weapon and kill everything. I do not have the strength. Oh shit. Damn. Oh shit. That was loose. Okay, I like... Oh shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. They get that easy around with those things. That is bullshit. Hell yeah, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it all night and hard, baby. Huzzah! Huzzah! No one can say Classic is a bitch. Here it is, people. 200,000 bolts. The impossible challenge. Why was I saying the impossible challenge again? Oh, I remember now. This is actually a bitch and a half. I was thinking to myself, like, maybe it's like, it can't be what I think it is, right? No, I remember now. It has 99 rounds. So this is probably going to be the finale of this part, this, like, series of episodes for, like, the other day. I might just, at some point, I might just, like, stop and be like, oh, this is round something, something, something of da-da-da-da-da. Or I'll just record the entire thing because it's fucking epic. When you got this guys 200,000 bolts, you get also a skill point. Also, if it's obvious, it uses gun because it is a shotgun and it does very lots of damage up close. Kind of sucks though because you don't get as much ammo as you would like with it. You asshole. Oh man. Up close and personal, bitch. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to, like, pretty soon I'm probably just gonna stop. Damn it. Man, look at my health already. I don't think it's, if I'm correct, this is not recommended for people who don't have a lot of guns, no ammo, which I do not have enough either. Like, you really, like, you want a lot of guns in this arena challenge. But it is probably the best way to ever increase your gun's level. Maybe it's 100. Maybe it's either 100 or 50. I don't know. I don't know. It's a very long amount of time. And also lava gun, you don't want to hold it. You just kind of want to put it in bursts so that it drops enough lava. Just like hold enough to refer to as stream, and you should be fine. Damn. I actually never hated the impossible. I actually always loved it. I wish you could upgrade the gun again. Oh my god, this thing is awesome. Boink, boink! Holy shit, that was close. Remember, it is enough to make a stream. Of course, again, this gun also just wastes a shit ton of ammo. Oh man. I'll probably want to look up this challenge real quick afterwards at some point. I thought I liked it was going to lose a lot more health. I didn't lose as much as I did. Of course, I mean, I would have lost more, but that's only because I haven't lost as much because, you know, I kind of got that thing leveled up. Oh, shit. Shoot rockets! Shoot rockets! Shoot rockets! Ah! Man, oh man. Yeah. Holy shit. Whoop! Doop-a-doop. Oh, that was bullshit. Oh man. Damn, look at that. 26. We're already on the 26th round. Okay, I'll pause right here for now. I'm gonna check something else out. Oh, my hand's showed.